Hey guys, I wanted to do a price action video. It's been a while since I did a price action video. So this one I wanted to do it solely on just price action. And so when you look at the different exchanges in which we have right now, it is really excited because to see the different price actions that we could see happening on each one of the charts. It's kind of like the each one has its own personality, and you need to learn its personality and figure out how to navigate. So we're going to go through each one of them right now and kind of learn their personality and kind of make some either assumptions or some plans around how to leverage each one of them. So with that, let's get going. First one, let's look at the mothership in regards to how we're doing there. So this one is a very resilient chart, right? And so this is where all the tokenomics takes place. So this is where if you want to enjoy the benefits of the daily rewards and you want to get the reflections, this is the exchange. This is where you want to make sure you end up. And so when you look at it, we look like we've been really bouncing around these levels here. And you guys know my buy zone. So my buy zone is 15 and below. And so every time we get close to the buy zone, you see it pop up, right? So rule of thumb is you start buying at this and you enjoy the feasting down here. And sure enough, every single time we come close, you get a nice bounce up. And then here you have another nice bounce up again. So kind of created this little bit of a double bottom. So let's see how much momentum we continue to hear, but this looks pretty nice in regards to we had some sell-offs, right? And so from a sell-off standpoint, we saw this come straight down. And today's buying opportunity was pretty nice, right? So it's kind of like here where you saw the convention, you saw it really turn back with conviction. And so yeah, and the buying continues. So nice buying. So let's watch that continue to go up. But right now, I think with the exchange coming on Friday, the new exchange, curious to see what type of buying we see happening. But this looks pretty nice. A nice bounce off these lows, and so yeah, let's continue to watch this. But for the pricing right now at 19 compared to the others. And so it's interesting. Normally, you don't see as good of a discount or a deal here because this is where you get the most benefits. And so if that's the case, I do expect this gap to close because this is ideal, the best place to buy right now. One of the best place to buy. And so if that's the case, then that's going to be interesting to see. I expect that gap to close when you think of the other ones, right? So let's look at the other exchanges. This is one of the ones that I always say I like the movements here. So you could see this one's at 21, which is interesting within itself, right? So you get a better price here in regards to purchasing the tokens because you don't like if you transfer USDT here, you're able to buy it at a nice discount. Well, the only problem is you're stuck here to leave it here and collect reflections. So if you have a small account or if you want to invest and you only care about the reflections, this is an area to go through. You don't get as much benefit on this exchange as you do on the mothership or the pancake swap exchange, but you still get some benefits here. But what's good about this is, and you could see, is you get some good price action. So you could get here and see a good 20% increase. So great place to trade. And so what I tried to do here, I try to see if I could pick up some on the low end and then wait for it to kind of bounce up. And so from here, you could see that it has a nice potential to kind of rise somewhere up there. And if it does that, what are you looking at a potential? If you get it from here to here, you're looking at about a 20% increase. And if you were able to get it down here, you would see a nice increase when you get up to here, about what, 32%. And this is what I tell you about I like about this is like you get some nice movements up and down, and so a great opportunity to kind of time in to buy maybe on a pullback here or something, and then ride this sucker up, sell it, and then just kind of go with it. So this is a place to go to trade back and forth and make some money there. And also you could keep it there too as well for some reflections. And so it's interesting how that one's going. Now this one, Dcoin, is one that I liked it and I still do because what I foresee happening here is this is one that steady grinds up. Why? Because a lot of people buy here and then they take their tokens or purchase and move it over to PancakeSwap. The reason it's not as active now is because when you look at the price, it's at 23 and change, and here it's at 18. So low buying here and more people would buy here because this is where they want to end up anyway. You don't get as much, you don't get any benefits really here other than just trading. And if you could see the pattern here, this one's to me is going to be like a little bit of your lagger, right? It lags behind. So as you see price increases on PooCoin and then the others, well, this that creates a buying opportunity here. And because there's not too much selling here, and this, but you'll see less of a fluctuation. And so this is nice when you see this because look at this. This is steady all across, and don't this is some glitch or something that's not real, but when you look at this, it's pretty steady in terms of the bandwidth in terms that it goes in. And what I foresee would happen is as you see Pancake swap or the PooCoin chart starts to go up, or as you see Bitmart starts to go up, and you will see this takes this one with it, and that's what exactly what was happening. But when it comes down, a little bit of a not much of a reaction here. So if you want a steady kind of grind up, you would put your money here and kind of leave it here. But you're not going to make 20-30% overnight here, where you might be able to make that here. So there's opportunities that you're able to do that. And so I think that that's something that you might want to consider and look at. And then XT is really paired up with PooCoin, so they follow the same. So if I go to the what is this, a 30-minute down here, you'll see that the pattern here is the same as XT. So they seem to kind of tend to follow the same pattern or same pricing because I think they were paired. I'm still waiting for them to be unpaired so we could see what the end result is. But right now, to me, they seem to kind of follow it closely in regards to price action. So yeah, I just wanted to do this quick video. For me, this is a great buying opportunity, and I guarantee you the gap between these three will close. And you because right now with the mothership being as cheap as it is, that yeah, the buying will concentrate here, which makes sense. This is where you get the biggest bang for your buck. Why not, right? And so the only way you trade on the other ones is when this gets out of whack in terms of price, and then you come here, so you use these. But I can't finish this video without saying that I am so excited for Friday on LBank. This is what I am waiting for as well to see the opportunity that this one generates. So I am very excited about what we could see here with LBank. So I've set up my account. I'm ready to go, and so now it's just a matter of waiting for it to go live, and that's going to happen. It's going to happen Friday, and so I'm really looking forward to that. And so that's going to be definitely an opportunity to celebrate this because I think that we are going to see some really nice price action, and and just having another exchange where you get the price action variance from each other is just creating more and more buying opportunities. So for me, this is something to watch out for. This is going to make it easier for folks to make money. And so on August 20th, Friday, August 20th at 1 p.m. UTC time, these guys go live, right? And so just think about, having these four that you could go and trade between. I think it's going to be very powerful. And that's going to create a very nice dynamic in regards for us to be able to kind of make some money. So you could come and park it at the mothership if you want to collect your BNB rewards and your reflections. You could come here and trade the price action here. You get some nice swings, and as the price continues to go up, you could come here and purchase it and know it's going to be steady, or you could actually purchase it and wait, right? So once the price gets up, you could say, hey, purchase it and roll it over. And but right now, there's a little bit of a compression in terms of pricing here. So it doesn't not much activity. These are the ones that are having activity because the prices are so low right now. And this one is a steady Eddie. And that's what we're gonna see, and that's what I'm watching for. Now, what type of personality does LBank have? I think LBank, in my opinion, with the volume that was gonna come here, I am anticipating that this is going to be your fast moving market. And that's what I want to see. If we have a combination of the mothership, we have one that swings nicely up and down, and this one is the volume maker and the huge price swings, this takes everything else with it. And so I am really looking forward for LBank. And so and LBank's yeah, it has reflections as well. So you'll be able to get reflections on LBank. So I am really excited about that. So yeah, I can't wait for Friday. I'm definitely gonna do another video on Friday for you guys to see how things are going. But yeah, get ready for it. LBank is gonna be something really nice. So I know this video was a little bit longer than I anticipated it or I wanted it to be, but again, we have some things going on right now. That's a really exciting time, and I just had to get this out. So I do have another video. Let me give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek, a little bit of a teaser. So I've been putting this together in regards to really allowing you to understand what the returns on investments you could see. But so this is a little teaser for the next video. So I just wanted to get that out to you guys. And so thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.